life is a game itself. And the only way you can participate in it is you have to get involved. With all your heart and soul, your mind. Oh, your mind is such a great thing. Use it. Use it. The positive has to overtake the negative. And no matter what people may say to you, believe me, you have to get involved in the game of life. Things don't always go the way you want them to, but hang in there. Don't be afraid, no matter what they say. You gotta take a chance in life. And you don't know how far you can go, and you won't know until you try. Set your sights for better things in life and work for them hard as you can. Patience is key, it always sets you free. It's all about your master plan. People, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes some things are so hard to do. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes some things are so hard to do. Make your move, be careful what you choose. You're gonna reap what you sow. Make no mistake, you got what it takes, and all it's gonna take is you. Patience is key, it always sets you free, and you can make it if you try. Don't waste time making up your mind. It's your choice, it's your life. Listen to me, people. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes some things are so hard to do. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and sometimes some things are so hard to do. They say that the mind is a terrible, terrible thing to waste, and so is time. And it's time that you made up your mind about what you want to do in life. Different strokes for different folks. We're all in this together. And what you have to realize is that you can't always win and you can't always lose. Just sometimes. Sometimes you do.